welcome to all of you to the ICICI Bank SME CEO Knowledge Series. This is a platform where a lot of industry veterans, entrepreneurs and financial institutions meet together, put their heads together and figure a way out to deal with these challenging times all of us are faced with, be it in the corporate sector, on the consumer side, and we'll try and figure or make an environment which will be better for business in the coming years. Today we focus on a very special sector which is going through extremely difficult times and it's in a very challenging phase. We're talking about the auto industry. The sector is faced with a lot of problems, be it in terms of financing, be it in terms of their raw material costs or cost management per se, and the major problem here is the domestic auto industry slowdown. Not only that, and to add to all the problems that they're witnessing in the country, is that they're witnessing a major meltdown in the US auto industry. ऐसी स्थिति में SMEs जो क्षेत्र से जुड़ी हुई हैं, उनकी क्या समस्याएं हैं और इन समस्याओं से कैसा जूझा जाए, उन पर हम चर्चा करेंगे। लेकिन इससे पहले एक AV देख लेते हैं जो इस शहर से जुड़ी हुई है, इस क्षेत्र से जुड़ी हुई।
Pune, the second largest city of Maharashtra, has turned out to be the ultimate destination for business investment, specifically in the auto component domain. Rich in resources and suitable for the business environment, Pune has attracted many domestic and global best companies to run their businesses. Presence of many established automobile majors backed with strong engineer sector, dependable transport system and skilled manpower in abundance turns Pune into a thriving auto component cluster. However, rapidly changing business scenario clearly indicates the vitality of one more element in order to ensure our success. And that element is the knowledge. Are we all prepared to witness Pune as the leading auto component cluster across the world?
Introduce my panelists. मेरे right को Mr. Anshiv Putra Biradar, Chairman and MD N-Cube Group Companies and Director Creative Components Private Limited. Mr. Rajiv Zambadekar, GM Strategic Sourcing Mahindra & Mahindra. Mr. MS Mani, Partner Indirect Taxes, Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu. Mr. Satya Prasad, Joint General Manager Cluster Banking ICICI Bank. Dr. Praful Agnihotri, Professor of Marketing, Chairman Career Development and Placements IIM Calcutta. और साथ ही साथ मिस्टर गिरीश कुमार ओझा, ये कंसल्टेंट है HR बिजनेस एंड सॉल्यूशंस के। जब हमने पहले सोचा इस सेशन का, हमने पुणे एक शहर इसीलिए चुना क्योंकि ये एक शहर है जहां पर इसके आसपास इन एंड अराउंड पुणे हजारों SMEs हैं और ये एक क्षेत्र है जिस पर हमने देखा है काफी ज्यादा दबाव देखने को मिला। एक तरफ से कहा जा सकता है पुणे इज विटनेसिंग द स्लो डाउन ऑन वेरी क्लोज क्वार्टर्स। मिस्टर राजीव, सब रिसेशन की बात हो रही है, प्लांट शटडाउन हो रहे हैं, कोई गाड़ियां खरीद नहीं रहा है। आपकी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस M&M में कैसी रही है?
Let me just take you through what happened exactly in 809, that is April 08 to coming March 09. I want to just integrate it into two areas, that is H1 and H2. In H1 what has happened is basically there were a lot of pressure of the commodity price increases. Automakers or auto ancillaries, everybody was under tremendous pressure for controlling these costs or rising cost pressures. So that was H1. Of course, the volume was stable at least, and it was also somewhere increasing to some extent. But I think at Q2 end or Q3, it has started a different picture. It has started with volumes coming down and also the commodity prices are coming down. But this particular thing, as industry production has come down, there was a lot of pressure on profitability in the first half, second half the volumes. Now a lot of plants, the plant capacity is really underutilized. The capacities are already built up in the H1 or before that to cope up with the increasing requirement. And now the situation has come that the requirement has come down.
Mr. Biradar, आप component sector से जुड़े हुए हैं। इन्होंने कहा हमारी गाड़ियां कोई खरीद ही नहीं रहा है, उसका प्रेशर हम पर है और ऑटो कंपोनेंट्स पर मैन्युफैक्चरर्स पर भी आएगा। आपने किस तरह की स्थिति देखी है? क्या क्रेडिट लाइंस वाकई में इतनी स्क्वीज हो रही हैं?
You have a basket kind of your things to be in your life. So suppose you, in my opinion, I have the many groups. One is auto industry manufacturing, and one is hotel industries. Second one is agriculture businesses. So when you are thinking in the small scale industries doing the business, during that time also you think it in the diversification of your businesses. So you have your pockets. There are 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets are there available. So any one pocket is a little trouble. You have the sustaining capacity in our things.
Dr. Agnihotri, I want to point this out to you. You spoke of diversification. Is that an option now to go out and diversify? Probably not different sectors, different products that you're making?
जैसा आग लगने पे कुआं नहीं खोदा जाता, अगर कुआं ऑलरेडी खोदा हुआ है, अगर आपने ऑलरेडी एग्स हैच करके रखे हुए हैं तो आप चिकन खा सकते हो. okay? और दूसरी बात यही है कि अगर वेज है नॉन वेज वो भी दिखना चाहिए चिकन खाने से पहले. okay? मेरा मतलब है अपने कॉम्पिटेंसीज को भी देखना चाहिए कि भाई मेरे पास वो कॉम्पिटेंसी है कि नहीं, तो मेरी काबिलियत क्या है, मेरे पास कॉम्पिटेंसी क्या है, क्या मैं कर सकता हूं. बट I would suggest, in my opinion, that diversification would work if provided you have done it well in advance and not when the fire is in rampant stage.
But what do they do now? अब क्या करें? किस तरह की strategic planning जानी चाहिए अब SMEs के दिमाग में?
कहना मुश्किल है, लेकिन मैं यही कहूँगा कि cut down all the costs. At this stage, a strategy has to be of survival. If we survive through this difficult time, we are going to see the better days ahead.
Mr. Oza, आप कैसे देखते हैं सिचुएशन को?
The one thing we must understand that man is inevitable. No company can survive without man. You may have 5 crore rupees CNC machine, but the operator is not good or the competent. Your money investment in the CNC machine will vanish. As during our discussions, number of industries people, they have told me that operator who is a skilled operator, if they leave the company, it will have the effect all over the company. So one thing we must remember, that we should never try to part with our people in such type of difficult period, because when we being a industrialist, we are facing a problem. You can just imagine what will happen to a person who is the only earning member in the family, and if he is asked to leave the job. Another aspect as a HR man, I will tell you, is that what is the cost of salary that you are spending.
Right.
Now it is our time to help them and be with them, so that they will definitely consider in future that my company, my bosses, they were with me in a bad period. Another thing, one important thing is that try to be transparent with your people.
Mr. Satya Prasad, क्या banks इस sector को ऐसे देख रहे हैं, या फिर क्या आपके साथ भी problems हैं जब कोई आके लोन के लिए मांगता है आप दे नहीं पाते हैं?
Auto sector, banks or banking sector has also been a victim of slowdown. So there has been a general slowdown in the industry. Apart from that, as we have heard, I think many things have happened globally which have impacted banking sector and banking liquidity the most. So we have been advising our clients, please defer your capital expenditure wherever it is possible, make it modular if it's possible, or look at in terms of tightening in whatever manner possible your working capital cycle. What people, probably most CFOs would have been looking at the cash flows once in a week or something. So we are advising them to look at it almost on a daily basis. Whatever receivables which have been stuck, try to probably give a discount and realize it, because bank money is not coming. So please, even if it means not the expected profits as originally intended, release those investments.
We will talk about these steps taken by the government, taken by the RBI, but we'll take a very short break and come right back.
रात के 11 बजे थे, कार इंश्योरेंस खत्म हो रहा था, मुझे चाहिए थी इंस्टेंट पॉलिसी और मिल गई ICICI